Hey guys, wanna know how to change the FPS or frames per second of your video? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, import any video that you like to the timeline by importing it. And once you've done that, changing FPS is super simple. Right under the preview video, you can see this small monitor icon right here. Click on it once and then select change project aspect ratio. Once you've done that, here you can see various options here: aspect ratio, resolution, and so much more. Now, in order to change frame rate, you can see this frame rate drop down button right here. So simply click on it. Now you can change it from 23 FPS to 60 FPS. For more performance, go to 23, but for quality, head towards 60. For now, I'll just go to 50. And once you're done, just simply select OK. And there you have it. Now, the changes have taken place. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.